All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, it's a damp day. That's okay. I wanted to ask y'all on this job. This video might be a little long, but I'm gonna just show you what Wagtail Tools can do, as if you guys didn't know already from the thousands of videos that I have. But repetition is key in order to let some people see. You know, it may make the difference of making more money in a day. But we have some garage doors I'm doing, and I had 3 tools in my Bigfoot. All right. Now, I want to know which one should I use. I'm gonna let y'all decide. Should I use the High Flyer, which is a fantastic tool? Should I use my Slipstream Plus, which is another fantastic tool? Or should I use my next line of Wagtail prototype? I want y'all to decide. You know what? Never mind. Because by the time most of you watch this video, it'll be a day later. I need that answer now. So I'm just going to decide for you. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a piggy by its toe. If you holler, let them go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, snap. Okay, so it is. So it is. I really wanted to use the Hi-Fi, but that's okay. I think this would be faster. Because I don't need to scrub the heck out of the window way up high. Because ain't nobody putting fingerprints up there. This will be a perfect tool to stick and move with. All right, so let's jump into it.
soul. Baby girl, that don't. Baby girl, that don't. Baby girl, such an ecstasy just flows with me, electrifying me. I'm no longer higher. She said that I've been fired. You are all I need to be. All fish in the sink. Girls are like buses. This one is still team one coming. Put your man crazy and his ice game stunning. Swag so stupid, still the bitch straight up. Over, no more smoking those. Baby girl when A.W. used to be my soul.
Don't make them take you like who them to go. Shall we be waiting there? We are shout. Shall we
this world of calamity. Dirty looks and
those garage doors took me roughly, each garage door, I was doing 2 at a time, and I had to do both sides. Each garage door has 16, so I did 64 windows in 12 minutes. That's pretty darn good. So that's roughly about, I guess about, I'd say about 10 windows a minute. That's pretty darn good. The average person for that size window should be able to clean about 3, maybe 4 of those windows in a minute. I'm cleaning double that amount with a tool like that. So, and it is coming clean for those skeptics out there. So you talk about saving time and doubling your speed. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. So in actuality, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 64 times 4, 64 times 4, that's 16, 24, 25. So that's 200, 64 times 4. Yeah, holy smokes. That's 250 something windows. That job literally took me, I'll show you how much water I use. That job literally took me 1 hour and 20 minutes. And 250 windows were just on the garage doors itself. If you're talking about the lobby, you're talking about another 30. No, not 30. I'm sorry. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You're talking about another 15 windows, all right? So I cleaned about 260 to 270 windows in 1 hour and 20 minutes. That's pretty good. I think that's going to be as good as we can get it. You can see how much water it took to do that. The water level was, let me show you, was right here. This is where I filled it up. And I used about half, approximately half the bottle. Watch this next video as I tell you the secret of what's in that bottle. I don't tell y'all everything. I can't. I can only tell you a little at a time. So you gotta stay with me in order to get these golden nuggets. But log back in for this golden nugget of a tip. Some of you may already know this little golden nugget tip. This is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.